Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the prestigious St. Andrew enclave of Chancery Hall, this custom built 10 bedroom, 7.5 bathroom mansion offers the perfect fusion of luxury, space, and serenity. Spanning 9,006 square feet on a generous 0.63-acre lot. This grand estate is designed for those who seek elegance and an elevated lifestyle, commanding breathtaking panoramic views of the city skyline, the Blue Mountains, and the Caribbean Sea. The residence is a true statement piece, ideal for entertaining or enjoying peaceful moments above it all. The expansive terrace and resort style pool set the stage for unforgettable sunsets and weekend gatherings, while the lush landscaped gardens add a sense of privacy and tranquility. Step inside to discover a chef's kitchen, a formal dining room, and a gracious living area, all thoughtfully designed for comfort and entertaining. This three-story home is finished with sophistication throughout, offering spacious bedrooms and versatile living spaces, making it perfectly suited for a large or extended family. The neighborhood is also favored by several of Jamaica's well-known figures, offering a sense of prestige and security. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 170 million, US 1,077,000, Canadian 1.54 million, Euro 989.7 thousand, or 837.4 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.